Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and classy, elegant collection of hand embroidery floral patterns. All of these floral hand embroidery patterns could be used for a wide variety of reasons, for a wide variety of creative arts that could be exquisitely showcased with the art of hand embroidery. But before going into the further details, I have few concerns and requests to you that we never intend or claim or reclaim to say that someone else's work is our own. Our basic purpose and intent of making videos is sharing beautiful and creative design ideas with you. And not only this, kindly, I have a simple request that please subscribe to my channel, and by subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And one more thing, guys, that please keep supporting us, keep liking us, and leave comments below the video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. Now, let's move back towards our main concern, that which type of embroidery patterns are these. Simple and beautiful floral patterns of embroidery could be used for a wide variety of DIY home decor items. Like you can embroider these patterns onto your tablecloths, onto your prayer mats, onto your DIY accessories like mobile cases, onto your handbag, onto your different type of accessory or cases covers, glasses covers, and different type of hoop art could be designed by decorating a very beautiful and creative patterns to your walls. And the scope is not only limited to this, you can also make your bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, quilt covers. Even you can also beautify your curtains with the help of these very creative patterns of embroidery. You can also gift these patterns of embroidery as a hoop art to your loved ones on any type of occasion as well. You can make these beautiful patterns of embroidery as embroidery motif onto your shirts, sweatshirts, shirts, blended type of any type of tops that could be paired along with your bottoms or jeans, and different type of perspectives as per your choices. For getting beautiful, creative, and more decently attractive patterns, I would recommend you to exactly use this color combination of threads along with the exact pattern of the fabric base that is being shown to you onto your screens. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.